Okay, guys, I'm going to go to Ask Scruff in the Discord. This question, like quite a few in trading, is kind of subjective into what you see. So whenever I'm speaking, it's my own personal viewpoint. So let's have a look. So if you come into the Discord, the guys are having a bit of a chat. We've just booked our little holiday. I booked it, sweetheart. I booked
it all done, is it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
She told me I had to book a holiday, so I booked a holiday. We're going in lodge. All right, so we'll get rid of the trader talk. And you come into this section called Trader Clinic. Now, in it is Ask Scruff. And they can ask me whatever they want. I'll come to camera a lot of the time and I'll answer it for them. I'll even sort of track trades for them if they want. But this particular question's for Stephen rather. Let's salute you. Got a video, Ladder Trading Secret, which is one of my favorite videos. Very kind. If the deep buy and the double D is a buy, is it a terrible idea to ladder from the opening pivot to the bottom of the trading arena following a sell candle down, anticipating an up move? 10 possible positions on 100, where it's ADR. I think that might be ATR. Okay. It's not a terrible idea. But what I'd be asking is, why? You see, a ladder trade is really there to catch bounces rather than anticipate a main move. Now, there's various different versions in the market. So a ladder is between two fixed points, and the idea is it's kind of a relay race, as I've shown you, and you're looking at depth of market. So the market pushes in, picks the ladders up, comes up, and then bounces like this. Now, what's happening there is you're constantly in and out replacing the orders. Now, in the scenario you're talking about, I wouldn't necessarily put 10 positions into it, but I would certainly madness into it, because if the general consensus is buy and you're seeing the market is in some form of move in the opposite direction, you might time it slightly off. Well, if that's the case, you then put your staging in for madness. But what I would say is, if you've got all your stars in alignment, your deep trend, your double D trend is moving in that direction, well, try and get as many positions in and hold them rather than do the relay race of a ladder. Hope that makes sense, because there's a distinct difference between a ladder trade and a madness trade. One is to capitalize on the move going against you for a continuation. The other is inside a range that's capitalizing on the bounces. So I hope that helps. Catch you soon.